Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ajay Kumar IBC from बड़ा बिजनेस। दोस्तों आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा
White Label Business and Management Program. Are you facing any of these challenges? Improving employability, enhancing credibility, and growing profitability. Modest number of students, placements, and admissions. Upskilling the students through the associations of India's top business tycoons. Lack of higher NAC rating for better goodwill of your college institution. Lack of additional revenue streams for your college institution. Mounting marketing costs and limited budgets. Lack of national co-branding support with zero investment. क्या आप इनमें से किसी चुनौती का सामना कर रहे हैं? रोजगार में सुधार, विश्वसनीयता बढ़ाना और लाभप्रदता बढ़ाना, छात्र प्लेसमेंट और प्रवेश की मामूली संख्या, भारत के शीर्ष बिजनेस टाइकून के सहयोग से छात्रों को अपस्किल करना, आपके कॉलेज संस्थान की बेहतर सद्भावना के लिए उच्च NAC रेटिंग की कमी, आपके कॉलेज संस्थान के लिए अतिरिक्त राजस्व सुधारों की कमी, विपणन लागत को कम करना और सीमित बजट शून्य निवेश के साथ राष्ट्रीय सह ब्रांडिंग समर्थन का अभाव। White label benefits, cascading effect on footfalls through the association of Dr. Vivek Bindra and eminent faculty pool of business tycoons, enhanced employability, credibility and profitability of the institution, prospect of higher NAC rating due to learning and pedagogical innovation, newer revenue streams for the institution, national level co-branding support with no extra cost, available, accessible and affordable entrepreneurship and management education. व्हाइट लेबल के लाभ डॉक्टर विवेक बिंद्रा के एसोसिएशन और बिजनेस टाइकून के प्रख्यात फैकल्टी पूल के माध्यम से फुटफॉल पर व्यापक प्रभाव, संस्थान की बढ़ी हुई रोजगार योग्यता, विश्वसनीयता और लाभप्रदता, सीखने और शैक्षणिक नवाचार के कारण उच्च NASC रेटिंग की संभावना, संस्थान के लिए नई राजस्व धाराएं, राष्ट्रीय बिना किसी अतिरिक्त लागत के स्तरीय सह ब्रांडिंग सहायता, छात्रों के लिए सुलभ और वहनीय उद्यमिता और प्रबंधन शिक्षा जो बेहतर रोजगार योग्यता अनुपात की ओर ले जाती है, छात्रों के लिए सिद्ध व्यावसायिक रणनीतियों और रूपरेखाओं का व्यापक ज्ञान। Everything about entrepreneurship program, world's most affordable complete business management program for students, practical and real world business lessons in Hindi, 75 plus billionaire business leaders as bada business professors, online mobile app based learning, 300 plus videos including reading material and assessments, live seminar with Dr. Vivek Bindra and bada business professors, digital live question and answer sessions, business strategy frameworks. Content covered: sales, marketing and branding, finance, human resource, legal, technology for business, digital marketing, leadership, product and services, retail, operation and execution, strategy. Key topics covered in the program: strategy, blue ocean entry barrier, geolocation advantage, technology and automation, brand management and PR, distribution hacks, pricing and product, human resource, high performance culture, virtual team building, competency mapping, manpower planning, organization structure, employee engagement, HR policies and SOP. Customer service, customer relationship, acquisition and retention, consumer insight, customer feedback, handling difficult customers, DNA of complaints, world-class customers experience. Operations, FSN framework, inventory management, hassle premium, strategic alliances, merger and acquisition, distribution network, project management. Marketing, marketing communication, influencer marketing, digital and social media, advertising and PR, ad campaign design, online reputation management. Sales, sales strategies, sales closing techniques, product positioning, business storytelling, sales funnel, sales negotiation, lead generation. Finance, COGS of COGS, margin big profit, asset financing, zero-based budgeting, cost optimization, cash flow management, ROI versus margins, debt management. Funding, growth funding, company valuation, pitch deck, bootstrapping, crowdfunding, angel investment, accelerator and incubator. Technology, ERP, CRM, mobile apps, business automation, website for business, data and cyber security, e-commerce. Future ready courses for students, personality development, making a positive impression, developing communication skills, building leadership skills, building self-confidence, dress to impress. Pocket money to professional salary, importance of goal setting, how to plan your career, inculcating 21st century skills, acing resume writing and job interviews. Solopreneur freelancing, skills required for solopreneurship, 100 plus freelance professions, how to get more clients, means to increase your client base. English for Beginners, Beginners Dictionary for students, how to communicate with customers, how to address a meeting, powerful words and phrases. How to become a video influencer, identifying your passion and niche, build engaging and relevant content, how to increase your reach. Public speaking, learning the art of public speaking, focus on 3 V's: vocal, visual, verbal, importance of speech, design and outline, developing confident body language, get rid of the fear of speaking in public. Time management, importance of time management, 20 plus tools to help manage time, increasing efficiency and productivity, how to prioritize tasks. Stress management, managing stress in daily life, understanding the fight or flight approach, more than 20 plus tools to manage stress, action oriented psychological and physiological approach. Leadership, attributes of good leader, setting vision and mission, understanding delegation and execution, team management and motivation, styles of leadership, importance of collaboration. White label benefit matrix. Number of students, flexibility to decide resale price, joint branding with Dr. Vivek Bindra and Bada Business. Dr. Vivek Bindra visit to college for a student orientation event, online event by Bada Business professor, joint video launch for mass promotion. Physical EAE event within the college campus with Dr. Vivek Bindra plus minimum 12 billionaire professors once a year. Customized LMS app for college with logo. Service center support to users. Future ready courses for better student deployability. Co-branded certificate to users. Institution plus Bada Business. Clients branding on Bada Business website. Customized tech driven performance dashboard. Professors of Bada Business. Mr. Alfred Ford, Global Chairman Ford Motors, Mr. Ashish Chauhan, MD and CEO Bombay Stock Exchange, Dr. Arvind Lal, Chairman, Dr. Lal Path Labs, Dr. Eva Lumani, Chairman, Thyrocare Technologies, Mr. Abhishek Shomani, Managing Director, Sri Acharya Balakrishnan, Managing Director and CEO, Mr. Boman Irani, Indian film actor, Dr. Devi Shetty, Chairman. Mr. Ashwini Arora, MD and CEO of LT Foods Limited, Dawat Basmati Rice. Mr. Girish Agrawal, Director Dainik Bhaskar Group. Mr. Hariom Rai, Chairman Lava Mobiles. Mr. KK Mistry, Vice Chairman and CEO HDFC Limited. Mr. Lalit Agrawal, Chairman and MD V-Mart. Mr. Manu Kumar Jain, Managing Director Xiaomi India. Dr. Mahesh Gupta, Chairman Kent Aro. Mr. Nirmal Jain, Founder and Chairman Indian Infoline IIFL. Mr. Nikhil Arora, Managing Director GoDaddy India. Nilesh Gupta, Managing Director Vijay Sales. Dr. Mahesh Gupta, Chairman Kentaro. Mr. P.K. Gupta, Managing Director State Bank of India. Mr. Puneet Gulati, CEO Barista Coffee. Mr. Ridham Desai, Managing Director Morgan Stanley India. Mr. Rajesh Mehta, Chairman Rajesh Exports. Mr. Rajmesh Agrawal, Founder Agrawal Packers and Movers. R. O. Gopal Krishnan, Former Executive Director Tata Sons Limited. Mr. Sanjeev Bajaj, Vice Chairman Bajaj Capital. Mr. Sanjay Gupta, Chairman APL Apollo. Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor, Indian Celebrity Chef. Mr. Sumit Malhotra, Managing Director Bajaj Corporation Limited. Mr. TV Mohandas Pai, Chairman Manipal Global Education. Mr. Vivek Oberoi, Film Actor, Businessman and Investor. Our education partners: GLA University, Mathura, UP. Sage University, Bhopal, MP. KC College of Engineering, Thane, Mumbai. GGI, Guljar Group of Institutes, Khanna, Punjab. Genesis Trinity Business School, Pune, Maharashtra. Surya Datta Group of Institution, Pune, Maharashtra. SP Finance Academy of India, Pune, Maharashtra. Kaling College of Commerce, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. ICS Institute, Haryana. Call now 7060613074 to join white labeling program. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the bell icon button. You can also follow us to Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Link in description.